The green gold of weight loss. Avocados, some call them nature's butter. Others say they're the secret to a slimmer waistline. But here's the question. Do they really help you shed pounds? Or is it just another health myth? Today, we're counting down the 7 science-backed reasons why avocados can be your best friend on a weight loss journey, and the 2 mistakes that can ruin it. Stick with me till number 1, because that's where I reveal the ultimate avocado fat-burning trick you probably haven't heard before. 7. Keeps you fuller for hours. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the good fats that slow digestion and keep you satisfied. Just half an avocado has about 7 grams of fiber, and fiber is your best friend for appetite control. When your stomach stays full, you avoid constant snacking, which means fewer extra calories. A study published in Nutrition Journal found that people who ate avocado at lunch reported 40% less desire to eat for the next 3 hours. Tip: add avocado to your morning toast with eggs or to your lunch salad for a slow-release energy boost. 6. Boosts fat metabolism. The fats in avocado aren't just any fats. They're oleic acid, which tells your body to burn fat more efficiently. Oleic acid activates special fat-burning pathways in your body, encouraging the breakdown of stored belly fat. Pairing avocado with protein, like chicken or salmon, helps your body use fat for fuel instead of storing it. Tip: a grilled chicken and avocado salad makes a perfect high-protein, fat-burning lunch. Number 5. Controls blood sugar and cravings. Weight gain often starts with unstable blood sugar. You eat something sugary, your blood sugar spikes, then crashes, making you crave more sugar. Avocados help slow down the release of sugar into your bloodstream. Balanced blood sugar means fewer snack attacks and less stored fat. Tip: replace high-carb spreads like jam or butter with mashed avocado on whole grain bread. Number 4. High in nutrients, low in carbs. Unlike most fruits, avocados are low-carb, about 2 net carbs per serving. They're packed with potassium, more than bananas, magnesium, and vitamins E, C, and B6. These nutrients help reduce bloating, support muscle recovery, and keep your metabolism running efficiently. Tip: make a quick avocado smoothie with spinach, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a nutrient-packed breakfast. 3. Improves digestion and reduces bloating. The soluble fiber in avocado feeds good gut bacteria, which helps regulate digestion. A healthy gut means less bloating, better nutrient absorption, and more efficient fat burning. Constipation can slow down your weight loss. Avocado's fiber helps keep you regular. Tip: add avocado to salsa or guacamole with fresh tomato, onion, and lemon for a digestion-friendly side dish. 2. Replaces unhealthy fats. The fastest way to lose weight isn't to eat less, it's to eat better fats. Swapping butter, mayo, or creamy dressings with avocado instantly cuts down on unhealthy saturated fats and processed oils. This switch reduces inflammation and supports a healthier heart while helping your body shed fat. Tip: mash avocado with garlic and lemon for a creamy sandwich spread. No mayo needed. 1. The ultimate fat-burning avocado hack. Eat half an avocado before your main meal. Why? The fiber and healthy fats will curb your appetite, so you naturally eat less of the higher-calorie foods on your plate. Studies show this simple pre-meal trick can reduce calorie intake by up to 300 calories in a single sitting. Tip: sprinkle the avocado with chili flakes. Capsaicin boosts metabolism for an extra fat-burning push. Bonus: the 2 avocado weight loss mistakes to avoid. Overeating. Yes, avocados are healthy, but they're calorie-dense, about 240 calories per fruit. Stick to half per day. Pairing with junk. Avocado on top of fried nachos won't help weight loss. Keep your pairings healthy. So, do avocados help with weight loss? Absolutely, when eaten in the right amount and paired with healthy foods. They're not a magic pill, but they're a powerful tool that works with your body to burn fat, control cravings, and boost your energy. If you learned something new today, tap the like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe to Glow and Slim Eats for more natural weight loss secrets.